Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brown gravy roux. A roux is a fundamental thickening agent, crucial for creating rich, flavorful gravies. It's simply a cooked mixture of fat and flour, forming the base for many delicious sauces. The color you achieve with your roux directly impacts the final appearance and depth of your gravy, so getting it right is key for that perfect brown. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need equal parts fat and all-purpose flour. For the fat, butter, vegetable oil, or even pan drippings from your roast work wonderfully. Make sure you have a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a whisk. These tools are crucial for even cooking and preventing lumps, ensuring a smooth, consistent roux every time.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking tips. And speaking of keeping things clean, especially after making a delicious gravy, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for tackling kitchen messes. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's get cooking. Start by melting your chosen fat over medium heat in the saucepan. Once melted, gradually whisk in the flour until it forms a smooth, thick paste. This is your roux. Continue to cook, stirring constantly with your whisk. This constant motion is vital to prevent burning and ensure the flour cooks evenly, developing that beautiful deep brown color. Achieving a deep brown color is where the magic happens for your gravy's flavor. This browning process develops a rich, nutty taste that cannot be rushed. It can take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes or even longer, depending on your heat and stirring. Patience is key here. Rushing will result in a raw flour taste, so take your time for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.